Just thought I'd get a couple of snaps of this little old truck here. That little shot. Oh yeah, got an old emu coming up in the back there. The old Teddy driving, and smash the window so you could see out. G'day guys, I'm Hef, and that was the intro to the long form video that I cut this time lapse down from. So if you want to get right into the nuts and bolts of how to paint this old truck in acrylics, then be sure to go back and check that out, which I will have in the description. But for now, kick back, relax, grab yourself a cuppa or a beverage of your choice, and let's get stuck into this time lapse. Oh, and just before I do, yeah, stick around to the end because it really does help my watch time. So for no other reason, but I also have a little offer there where I'm telling you about an ebook and a couple of other things. So if you're interested in getting on my mailing list, I'm certainly too unorganized to spam you with all these deals and offers and courses, and I really don't know how to put all those sorts of things together anyhow. But with that said, stick around the end because it really does help out the channel. Oh, and lastly, like and subscribe and do all that stuff that makes the channel grow. Yeah, anyway, like I said, catch you at the end. Okay, so as I'm pulling off the last little bit of tape there, I painted this onto some sketch pad paper. I think it was 180 GSM, which is pretty good. Doesn't crinkle up too much. If it does, always just leave it in a book overnight once it's completely dry. And I'd just like to say, while I've still got you, my heart for this channel is not only for the newbies that I want to start with their art journey, but also those that have been working all their life, been in a job, and you just haven't had time to be able to pursue any of your own passions. Then hopefully this channel is for you. It's never too late to pick up a brush and get in front of an easel, or just go down to one of the local stores, pick up a cheap canvas, some cheap acrylic paints, and get yourself back in the groove. So if you think I can add some value to your life, then like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Catch ya!